Wow. LeBron James nude is crazy. Who's your pick? Wow. Someone's a little wussy.
Well, it doesn't even really matter because we're all playing, or we're both playing characters we don't play normally.
Skibbity. Had to blend that white bitch. I don't even know who you play. You play Pulse or some shit.
Nah, I quit playing polls.
Really? Yeah, I think you're a massive liar. You know what I hate, bro?
Yeah, we're playing characters we don't normally play though.
You know what? You know what I hate, bro?
What?
When people say like, "Dude, look at my car," and it's like a cat, or like, "Is he restarted?" Like, how about I make you retarded with a bat? That's what I want to do. Dude, this gun looks so cool. Holy guacamole.
We have been eliminated.
Like, it's crazy how you aim at the fucking ceiling and still hit my head. They're like, how? So low. The fuck did you hit me? My fucking cock.
I'm tweaking out, man. I don't know.
Fuck this game, dude. Shit. Oh my god.
I flashed myself 3 times in a row.
Oh my god, I almost just fucked myself. So hard. I put on my camera instead of pulling out a goo mine. That was almost the biggest blunder. Biggest thunder that I was shitting out of my ass.
Waiting on you, bud.
Yeah, can I pick a fucking character?
Shut up, cunt!
Okay.
Secure the bombs.
You fuck with being called a cunt.
Are you black? That's your answer.
Down to 10 seconds.
What floor?
Second again.
Down to 5 seconds. Op 4 has yet to locate a bomb.
Yeah, this map got me tweaking the fuck out, dude. Alright, I'm exploring.
Kevin Shart. Why the fuck am I friends with someone named Kevin Shart? Fuck. Horrible.
Kevin Shart is one of the.
Kevin Shart is
Where?
crazy.
Oh, hi.
Did a bomb.
Wow, the shotgun is fucking useless.
Yeah.
Friendlies
You walked into
victorious.
that.
Hostiles eliminated.
Yeah, I did. I was trying to find you. Oh, I shot you here. Okay. I was like, did I shoot you when I started shooting into the rooms?
Yes.
A bomb must be located and
Where
defused.
the fuck am I? I've never been in this room. Wow. I'm glad I got the hard
Bomb has
counter
been
to
located.
cancel. That makes things a little bit easier. Dude, I have 2 charges? Oh, damn. I can do more damage slamming my cock with a fucking rock. No! Please!
I saw you, man.
Holy
Fucking-
shit! Holy
Friendly mission
shit!
successful.
I've never been so more scared. I literally saw your fucking creepy ass clown face and shot it as fast as I could. Holy shit. Fuck. I got so fucking nervous. Is it downstairs?
Is it downstairs?
Dog.
Oh.
Why don't you tell me? Cockface.
I had no clue. It just says church.
Okay. Usually you would check if there's, stairs. But, I digress.
Never came here before.
How the fuck did I break into this? There we go.
Oh!
Hey, how the fuck
Op
do I get
4
in?
eliminated.
Nice headshot, dude. Fuck.
Yep.
You know how to make a loom call with your hand?
No, I used to, I think, at one point.
Second floor. Second floor.
10 seconds to insertion.
Bitch.
I see. Faggot!
5 seconds.
Dude, fuck off.
Faggy fag.
Bomb locations are secure.
Someone's a little angry today. Jeez Louise.
You sit your black ass down!
Who put coffee in your cereal? Fuck. Can you bust it down for a player? Can you bust it down for a real one? Wow, you are blind as fuck.
Am I looking at you?
No, you're not looking in the right direction.
Where? Trying to figure it out.
You weren't even looking at me.
Gamers don't look up.
Yeah, I noticed. I'm not over there. I see you try to look at my fucking feet. Come on, I see your gun sticking out.
Oh, hi.
Hey. What's going on?
Mission successful.
I knew you were gonna try to bait me with my Vulcan. Holy fuck, I lit you up. No diddy.
I looked back and then I died. It's just I checked or left and then looked to my right and fucking exploded.
You're 4 inches inside Zendaya, and Sedaine
Protect the bombs.
Rafalia is 4 inches. What the fuck is this? You're 4 inches inside of Zendaya, but a random baseball player that you don't know is 4 inches inside you. What do you do? I don't know. I don't know this fucker.
10 seconds.
Ooh, got that
5
in
seconds.
What?
You
Sykes!
must protect your
Yikes.
bombs from being defused by op.
Zoinks! No, no. Fucking Sykes is crazy.
Zykes.
Sykes.
Chinkies.
Joinks.
Well, chinky.
Holy fuck. Bazangers. Uh-oh, that's not good.
Yeah, but what scan?
Fuck! You're so weird for
Am I?
Yes. Oh my! Dude, I saw your head through like a pixel peek in the engine. Look, I could see your head barely.
Fuck.
Fuck it. But he's the tard.
Shit.
Tard.
We need to locate a bomb.
Oh, first.
First?
Yeah.
That's a good line.
Second.
Really?
I am lying.
10 seconds to insertion.
Don't fib to me. Fuck.
5 seconds to go.
Do not fib.
Your
I
mission
don't
is
like
to locate and defuse a
fibbers.
bomb.
On my mama. You are not second. What the fuck are you talking about?
You have
Oh, yeah,
located
you
a
are.
bomb.
How the fuck do I have a laser on this thing?
Op 4 neutralized.
That was the greatest peek ever. Look here, watch. Then I go over to the other side.
Really, control. I think this is a pretty
I
shitty system.
set it up, didn't I?
What if I call you when I need something?
Maybe.
Otherwise, just leave me the fuck alone.